Hey, all you ladies. So I have a question for you. How is your relationship with your man right now? I'm guessing the majority of you are all thinking right now about what could be better, in your relationship. Do you feel like you have no control, or that maybe you're not his top priority? Maybe there's just some spark missing and you just want more from him. If this is true, keep listening. I have something amazing to share with you. There's this book called His Secret Obsession. You can learn from this book how to understand specific phrases and tricks that build attraction, unlock fantasies, and help women truly understand their man and his emotions and his desires. In His Secret Obsession, there are actually 7 techniques that I am going to share right now. So if you're ready to overcome the tricky parts of your relationship and have your man obsessed with you, keep watching. Technique number 1, relationship material. In the book, you will basically learn a checklist to help your man stick with you for the long haul. This technique will add quality to your relationship. Technique number 2, the private island. This technique is all about developing emotions and feelings between your partner and you. Technique number 3, the X-back signal. So this 4-phase technique is for those who have experienced a breakup in the past and seriously want the chance to get back with their ex. It guides you in what to say and what to do to get him listening and hopefully rekindling your relationship. Technique number 4, the glimpse phase. This technique helps you to truly show your authentic self to your partner and have them yearning to know more and more about you. Technique number 5, the damsel in distress signal. So this one is all about tapping into your man's protective instincts. Technique number 6, silent action signal. In this technique, you learn how to use hidden skills to activate the hero instinct in your man. And last but not least, technique number 7, I own you. This one is all about working to become your partner's sole confidant. So there you have it. Those are the 7 techniques taught in the book, His Secret Obsession. Now, look, this is just scratching the surface. I mean, there's so much more valuable information and tricks in His Secret Obsession book. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. There is going to be a lot of useful and fun content coming very soon, so please get ready for that. Also, if you want access to the official website, click the link in the video description. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.